Hello, in front of me I've got a CaraBus 630 MEG Outlaw Edition Fire from Weinsberg. We'll have a quick look at this unusual camper van. Note it says here, I am immediately available. Indeed, they've got lots of stuff which is immediately available because they have lots of unsold stock, which due to bad management they manufactured. Anyway, this is the clever bit. Here's the bed. Now you may say, oh, hang on, that's a bit high, isn't it? Well, yeah, it is a bit high. It's got these daft things here for pointless, but it does have these elastics which make sense, and so anything you keep behind there isn't going to fall out. Not that if it does fall out, of course, the bed is so close it isn't going to make all that much difference. I'm not certain why they've put across across the window. There may be a very good reason, but I'm, as of this moment, unaware of it. Note at the bottom down there on the left hand side there is a charging point for a phone. That makes a lot of sense. Now the clever bit is this bit here, but before we come to that, we'll notice that there's a kitchen block here with an extension with 2 burners and a sink. There's also a battery-free to go two-way fridge down here. It's not really two-way because it only works off 12 volts, but we're going to call it two-way because that's what they're called. And proper sides to the drawers in here. And in here we've got a relatively large washroom, 2 drainage points, plus a non-slip surface. There's me in the van. There's me in the washroom. As you can see, well, I can get in. Okay, but you might find it for showering more comfortable to sit on the toilet and shower that way. We've got a little storage place here as well, and under here as well. I've never really understood the point of this, but I'm sure there is one. And storage there as well. Put your creams and shampoos and things there. Here we've got this easy entry table. It's easy entry because there's no table leg down there. Of course, this does mean to say that somebody could come along, put too much weight on the table and it breaks from there. Storage up here. Good use of the storage. Normally I don't like it in the bulwark, but because it's got a higher roof, that's a good idea. Also note that now they're putting these things in here as well. Makes sense. You can use that now instead of being just wasted space. Unlike this wasted space, completely wasted space. What is there possible use that here could have? Why couldn't it have been built into this? I don't know. And this here, amazing. The thing, don't they realize that when these things move, they move, and things which are held here will fall out. So anyway, that's me. Let's come outside. Let's go at the back, because this is the clever bit round here, and you've got this enormous, absolutely enormous garage here at the back. Lots of space in here, and this really is the clever bit. Now you can only open it from that door, from the inside. You can't actually open from here. Don't know why that's been done that way. Again, there may be some reason I am unaware of. But lots of this is the clever bit with this vehicle. Anyway, good. So giving you a quick overview there. As always, I need to point out, I do not recommend Knaus Tabbert. They have all sorts of problems and management issues. Indeed, the police are investigating 2 things, one to do with financial irregularities, so bear all that in mind. I'll give you a link to other vehicles which are similar in the description. Thanks for watching.